Another beautiful day out today. Oh, I'm gonna have to take a little trip today or something. I'm gonna have to do something special. I spent a good part of yesterday trying to figure out 4K editing. I've gained a lot more information than I had before. One thing I can't figure out is how to render my final project in Adobe in the very best quality settings. So I record in 4K at 38 whatever by 21 whatever it is. I don't know it off the top of my head. And that's what I like to render in. And believe me, I understand how YouTube works. I understand when you up it, they do it at 30 frames a second, and they downscale it to 2,000 whatever megapixels and still call it 4K. I get it. But I need to have a solid, good copy of all my work. Anything I upload to YouTube. So it's important for me to have that good quality master copy. It just is. I want to have it. And I'm losing a lot of them from all this playing around. I'll tell you that much. I have space to store my video and I'm gonna do it. One 5-minute video clip off my camera can be like 2 gigabytes. So I find this is where the problem lies at with the editing and all. It was recommended to me that I take my MP4, I rip my MP4 to an MP4 but downscale it. I don't know how you keep it 4K but yet the megapixels is still 2,000 some. I don't get it. I don't get it. I see a quality difference without a doubt. I just stopped to take a nice photograph of town. And some guy stopped, was like, take my picture. People want to be on video. I'm surprised how much I get requests. And they rarely ever make it. It never turns out to be anything good. So where's the first stop in my vlog? Almost every time. The post office. Here we go. Up. Grab old board. Yes, we have Evolve today simply because I plan on going long distance. It is what it is. Way too nice not to go for a ride. That's what we're gonna do. A little one. Lifesaver. Look, listen, and live. That's a good quote. Look, listen, and live. Makes sense to me. Really looking waving in the wind. A lot of people going and making this place go round and around and around. God, it's so nice out. I don't want to go home. I want to cruise. It's not hot out today. It just feels so good. Thinking about going, setting up the drone. I get a lot of support from the kids around here. That's awesome. Every time I go by, they're always yelling, "Hi, hi." They always want to talk to me, ask me about the board. This is our future, our kids here. I'd love to see every single one of them just absolutely kill it in life. Each one start a business. You know, we want to talk about creating jobs. Especially I see in the coal industry, they talk about, oh, you're gonna lose these jobs. Well, what are you gonna do to make more jobs for them? It's on us to create our own jobs. It's not on our government. It's not on anybody else. It's on us. We have to educate our children on how to do so. So it's going to start with you. It's going to start with me. It doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter what country. It's all for the better. All right. The only person you can rely on is yourself. Don't forget that. So if I can give any kids out there advice that watch me, go ahead and do it. Create your own job. Don't trade your time for money. Do what makes you happy. Live life. And don't rely on anybody else. Alright, let me go get ready for my little project here. Alright, I'm all set and ready. Got all the gear. Camera bags, tripods, backpacks. The whole 9 yards. I'm gonna bring you guys someplace really cool that's not too far from me. And I get to ride there on the skateboard. I can make it there and back, but I have a ride back. So we're not gonna worry about conserving juice. We're gonna hammer down, we're gonna get there, and we're gonna get some nice video. That's what we're gonna do. Alright. Hang on. Welcome to Gibbs Town. Beautiful, right? Look at this. This is one pretty town. This is what you call small town America. And at night, it's completely lit up coming through here. Beautiful. Train. Alright, let's be on. Now look, it says private property, so we can't go down here. But here's a creek. I'll show you. See. And then cross the road real quick. Be careful. Oh, imagine if that was your house down there. Look, the train goes through there, but you get the creek. I'm about to put my other lens on so you guys can see these shots a little better. Hurry up and dress. Oh my god, it's dangerous. I know where I'm going and how far it is because I had to look up on a map and see if I had to call this drone flight in. You want to call your flights in before you leave and schedule them ahead of time. This way when you get there, it's done. If you're within the targeted area, you're fine. If if you're within the targeted time, you're fine. Anything outside of that, you would have to call. It's all common sense. Another sightseeing adventure. Here we go. The creek. Oh yeah. Check it out, guys. And here's the other side. There's that train trestle. Man, that supports that train? Ew. What? Hold on a second. Really? Alright, whatever you say. Let's keep going. I came up on another creek coming through under the road here. See, we were down there. There's that train trestle again. Well, man, this train had some obstacles. It's pretty neat though, huh? Look at those lily pads. It says, and I'll read it. Posted private property, no hunting, fishing, trapping, trespassing, skateboarding. Now we're entering Logan Township. This is kind of like what's cool about New Jersey, is the fact that you don't have to travel very far to feel like you're in the country. It's where city people, suburb people, and hicks all live together. That's New Jersey. Pretty cool, huh? There's that railroad track there. We're gonna go down this way. There's Bridgeport Speedway. For those of you who have never heard of it, it's a dirt track. This road sucks. And we're still going. Holy smokes, this road's long. Definitely not taking a truck over this. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Isn't that cool? This is not the best road to be skateboarding on here. Ain't that cool? This is pretty cool. There's a little dock there. I've been here fishing. I bought the boat back here before plenty of times. Plenty of times. Never brought the skateboard back here though. There's a lot of people back here. Check it out. Airplanes right above our head. Alright, just kind of walking away from everybody else. Seems like there's a lot of people here. There's a few people fishing, a few people just enjoying this, because this is nice.